What is going on, everybody? Kevin here with the Bullish Bears, and today, instead of doing a webinar, we're going to be playing a bit of a trading game night. We're going to be doing trading Jeopardy. Ooh, the lighting looks a bit off right now. Let me switch us over to our Jeopardy screen, and we're going to take a look. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I'm going to give it just a minute for some people to load in. I just want to make sure. YouTube, let me know, does the coloring look off to you? For whatever reason, it does look like it might be a bit off. What's going on, everybody? Hello, YouTube. Hello, everybody. What is up? What's going on? Just waiting a second to let a few more people join. Guys, let me know in the comments, does the coloring look off on the stream right now? I'm going to check it on my phone and just make sure it looks okay. But welcome. Tonight we are doing Trading Jeopardy. We're going to be going over some basics. We're going to be doing trading terms, stock market basics, technical analysis, options trading, market indicators, and trading strategies. Alright, the coloring does look fine on the stream. That is great. Everybody who's just tuning in now, what is going on? Hello and welcome. This is going to be a bit of an interactive game night. So guys, I do encourage you all to write in the comments what your answers are to these questions. And, you know, keep track if you want to keep score. I'm thinking eventually over time, once we do more game nights like this and it gets a bit more hot, what we'll be doing is we'll be picking 3 contestants. We'll keep a real score, and whoever wins will get a free month of Bullish Bears or some type of giveaway to encourage more people to be interactive and so on. So for tonight, guys, make sure you're interactive. Hit that like button, hit that follow button, and let's get into it in just a minute. See a few more people joining in the room right now. Hello and welcome. I made sure to turn off the monetization on this video for now for the live stream. That way you guys aren't bombarded with a bunch of ads. Let me know in the comments if you guys hear everything all right. Once I see a few more people join in, we're going to get started on our trading game night, Trading Jeopardy. If you guys want to, you guys could also write in the comments which category and which number we're looking for. So in between, I'm going to ask, we'll start with one as an example. Let's go over stock market basics for 200. The ticker symbol for Apple Inc. So now I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to think and come up with an answer in the comments. Let me know, what is the ticker symbol for Apple? You could answer with the question, you could just like they do in Jeopardy, or you could just type it in. Yup, pretty basic question. Again, these are going to be more basic questions. The higher the number, the tougher the question. Yup, Apple, AAPL, a lot of AAPLs. Yes, what is Apple? Great. Now let's hit something like a market indicator. Let's do market indicators for 300. This index consists of 30 major US companies, guys. Which index holds 30 major US companies? Not 500, not 100, 30. All right, we got one answer so far. Yep, we got some Dows rolling in. Yes, what is the Dow? Awesome, guys. Good stuff, good stuff. Again, just some basic questions, going over some easy knowledge. And over time, I'm going to make these questions harder. We'll get more into it. We'll get into concepts and whatnot. A trading style that aims to profit from short-term price movements. So if I'm trading a short-term price movement, I'm trading what? Scalping, all right, good stuff, guys. Get some more comments going in there. Would love to see some more answers. Yes, what is scalping or day trading, right? So that's when we're looking to catch a move intraday, and we look to profit off of that move in our direction. So let's hit now trading terms for 100. The highest price at which a stock has traded over a certain period. So not to be confused with an ATH, all-time high, but over a certain period, right? A look-back period. Whenever we do some type of look-back, we look for a blank period high. Give you guys just a couple seconds on that one. And obviously, if nobody gets the answer, I will cancel and we will go to the next one. Hit that little like they do in Jeopardy, and what is a 52-week high, right? So whenever we're looking back at a certain time frame, we want to see that 52-week high. Now we could look at a year to date as well, but a 52-week high is very important in the stock market, whether you're a small cap, large cap, even just trading the equities. It's very good to know what the 52-week high is. All right, so let's check on the technical analysis for 500. The MACD indicator stands for this, guys. What does the MACD indicator, MACD, what does this stand for? What does the MACD stand for? Give you guys a hint. First to our moving average. So what is the moving average? There we go. Good job, Keith. Good job, Keith. Keep killing it today, guys. Good stuff. Oh, we got an ad on that video. That's funny. Jeopardy music. Very good stuff. Very good stuff. Keith, if you get, whoever gets the question right, if you do want to type right after which question you want to go for next, definitely go for it. If not, I'm just going to keep going away. So let's check out, let's go with options trading for 100. The price at which an option can be exercised, right? So price has to be at a certain point for us to exercise that option. It can't be under the money. It has to be out close. Victoria, close on that one. What's going on, Victoria? Yes, Joyce got it right. ITM, what is in the money? So our options contracts have to be in the money in order to exercise them. We hear a lot, right? ATM at the money also, right? We would really realistically need to be in the money for price and for that contract to be exercised. So very good. Oh, strike price. No, price and option. Okay, all right. Victoria, you were right on that one. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I put this together a few days ago. I suppose the answer can be both, right? So the options contract has to be in the money, but the strike price determines what is in the money. So we could have an options contract for Apple at $200. Now that strike price is $200. The stock has to be at 200 or above 200 in order to exercise that option. So yeah, we both got it right. Great job. Love it. Good stuff. Good stuff. So let's go with technical analysis for 200. The chart pattern is characterized by 3 peaks, with the middle peak being the highest. So this is a very common trading pattern that we see in the market. We hear a lot of people talk about this one. Head and shoulders, there we go, guys. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, close, Lulu and Juju. But we are looking for the head and shoulders. So the head and shoulders, we have 2 even peaks on the left and right side, and we have 1 peak that is higher in the middle. So what is the head and shoulders? Great job, everybody. Great job. Get those comments going. Have some fun. Test your trading knowledge. Let's go with options trading for 400. The term for the fee paid to purchase an options contract. So every broker has a different fee for this. They do usually tend to be around the same price. But when we buy an options contract, say the options contract is 1.00, that's $100 even, most brokers will have a fee. And that fee is, yes, Keith, correct. We are looking at the premium. Oh, we said commission. I'm so sorry. Gotta go over these more. Donald Trump. There we go. Gabe got it right. Donald Trump is, in fact, the answer to the term for the fee paid to purchase an options contract. No, it's premium. Very close. Thanks for playing. All right, next question. Let's hit up trading strategies for 400. When you look to profit off a decline in price, you should, right? So when we look for price to go down, we should blank the stock, right? We should, yep, all right, we got some answers coming in. You guys let me know, what should we do if I think price is going to go down on Microsoft? What am I doing? Buy puts, short, short. Very good. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. What is shorting a stock, right? So another way we can short a stock if we don't have enough margin to sell the stock is we can buy a put. That's also another form of shorting a stock. Great stuff, guys. All right, let's check out stock market basics for 100. The largest stock exchange in the United States. Very simple one. I'm sure you guys got it. The largest stock exchange in the U.S. Real easy one. It's got 4 initials. You guys got it. We trade off. Yup, there we go. We got one answer in there. New York, New York. What? The NYSE. What is the New York Stock Exchange? Good stuff, Victoria. Good stuff, Keith. Yes. Awesome, awesome. Good stuff, guys. All right. Without meeting the 25K requirement, this account lets you day trade. So this is trading strategies for 500. Without meeting the 25K requirement, this account will let you day trade. Not futures, very close, but if we're looking to day trade options, naked options, we're looking to day trade, be in and out on the same day. Usually we need a margin account if it's less than 25K to trade at least 3 times a week. But yes, there we go. Perfect, guys. Perfect. We are looking for what is a cash account. All right, so let's go with trading terms for 300. The term for PE ratio, right? So now we're getting a little bit tougher, right? This is something that we don't really talk about too often if you're trading options or trading stocks or futures. We don't tend to talk about the PE ratio, but let's see what we got. We got Keith with a good answer. Good stuff, Keith. I like to see it. All right. What is price to earnings? Great job, Keith. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Guys, don't forget, hit that like button. Comment below what you think the answer is. Let's go with technical analysis for 100. The RSI indicator stands for this. What does the RSI indicator stand for? RSI. I'm looking for the blank strength. What is it? I know you guys know this one. If you guys knew MACD and knew PE, there we go. Relative strength indicator, killing it. Relative strength index. All right, guys. All right, guys. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. What is the relative strength index? Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's knock out these hundreds. Let's go with market indicator for 100. This index represents 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. Real simple one for us, guys, right? This is the market indicator for 100. This index represents 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. There we go. Yup. We got the ES, S&P 500, S&P 500. Perfect, guys. Great. Good stuff. Joyce Close. The NASDAQ is not 500 companies, but that one's coming up soon. The S&P 500 is the 500 largest companies publicly traded in the U.S. Really good stuff, guys. Awesome stuff. So let's check out now. Let's hit that trading strategies for 100. A strategy involving buying and holding a stock for a long period of time. So what do we call it, right? Instead of trading or day trading or scalping, what are you doing when you're buying and holding? Good stuff, good answers, guys. Investing, investment, swing. Yup, these are all appropriate and correct answers. Yup, buy and hold, investing, swing trading. These are all different types of trading strategies that aren't necessarily trading, but more of a buy and hold or an investment, right? So we're looking for a return over a long period of time, whereas usually if we're trading options or futures or day trading, we're looking for a quick return. So now that we knocked out the easy level, let's go down to the 300s. Technical analysis for 300. A candlestick with a small body and long wicks indicate this, right? So for those of you who join us live, we are live Monday through Friday for our Bullish Bears community. Something I mention a lot in my live streams is what does a small body and long wicks indicate, right? Good. So doji, doji, hammer. So that would be sort of the candlestick pattern itself. But when we have these small bodies and long wicks towards the end of a trend, what does that indicate, right? There we go, Keith, with a doji indecision. Good stuff. You're getting there. Indecision. It is a indecision or potential reversal. Yes, there we go. Reversal. Beautiful. Great stuff, guys. Good stuff. What is a indecision or potential reversal? Whenever we see that the bodies are failing to continue higher and the wicks are getting longer, there's a lot of failed buyers if the wicks are higher, or failed sellers if the wicks are lower. So let's go with options trading for 300. An option that has intrinsic value is described as this. Again, a bit of a tougher one. Give you guys a few seconds on this one. All right, we got some answers coming in. In the money, right? So what is in the money? There's that in the money answer we were looking for earlier, Victoria. When you got that right, that was awesome. Good stuff, good stuff. What is in the money is when an option has intrinsic value. All right, let's hit up trading terms for 500. Guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and leave some comments, right? Let me know what you guys think the answer is. Interactive game night. Eventually, we're going to be doing this and maybe doing some giveaways with this, right? So maybe we'll pick 3 potential members to join or to play, and we'll keep track of the score. A period when stock prices are rising and investors' confidence is high. Bull trend, bullish, bull market. Yes, guys, beautiful, beautiful. What is a bull market? Yes, or bullish, bull trend. These are all suitable answers. Really good stuff. Beautiful. You guys are doing phenomenal. I'll have to make the game night a bit harder next time. Let's go to market indicators for 400. This term refers to the total value of goods and services produced by a country, right? So again, we're sort of getting into a tougher one. This is market indicators. So I'll give you guys a bit of a hint. Ooh, okay, Victoria. Victoria, very impressed. Very impressive. Lulu, Juju, awesome stuff. Very good. Good stuff, guys. Great stuff. Very impressed. What is the gross domestic product, the GDP? Fantastic work, everyone. All right, let's finish off trading terms for 200. The first sale of stock by a private company to the public, right? So when a stock goes public, what are they doing? They're releasing their IPO. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. What is their IPO? That is their public offering. Beautiful. Great stuff. All right, let's go back to stock market basics for 300. The term for stocks change in price over a specific period. So the term for a stock's change in price over a specific period. Again, this is a bit of a broader question. I do apologize on that. I was trying to fit all, was this 10, 20, 30 questions in there. So I'll work on, if this is a bit of a hit and you guys do like it, I'll make sure next week we got more in-depth questions, and it'll be much better. So the answer for this one we are looking for is, what is the return, right? So what's the return on that stock in the past 52 weeks, like we mentioned earlier, past year to date, right? So what's the return on that stock? I know this question was definitely a bit more broad. I do apologize about that. Most of the other ones have been fine. Something I'll just work on, make sure I nail it all out. What is technical analysis for 400? The term for a trend line that connects to a series of descending peaks, right? So if we're going down and we're creating a blank trend line, what kind of trend line is that? Bearish downtrend. Yup, perfect, guys. Bear flag. Okay, that could be a price action pattern that could be forming with the downtrend. But yes, downtrend, trend line, bearish, any of these are correct. All right, let us finish up stock market basics for 400. Payment made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually in the form of cash or additional stock. So not every stock does or offers this, but some do. Victoria, you are on fire tonight. Joyce, Keith, all of you guys. Lulu, awesome. Really good stuff, guys. You definitely know your stock market knowledge. Really good stuff. I'll make sure next week will be even more difficult. It's up to you guys if you want me to keep the categories or if you guys have any other categories. What is a dividend? Awesome. So let us finish up stock market basics for 500. The stock market value of a company's outstanding shares. This is hard enough. Hey, listen, as long you guys are getting the answers right, you guys are doing phenomenal. Keep up the great work. I feel like this is a great way to learn, in my opinion, or at least keep your education going. What is the market cap, right? So when we're talking about the total market value of a company, we're talking about the market cap. All right, and that was a 500. There's a reason, right? I tried to make the 500s a bit more difficult than the rest. So let's go over to an options trading for 200. To write an options means this. So if I'm writing an options contract, I'm not buying, but I'm... All right, that one gave it away. But you guys got it. Nope, not a put. If I'm writing a contract, so usually if we're trading with a cash account, we're going to be buying contracts. We're never writing contracts. Yes, Keith, correct. We are looking to sell an options contract. Good stuff. Now, again, this is something that a lot of us, if we're not trading options, if we're futures traders, you might not be aware of. But as traders in general, it's important to know and understand these things because it does involve the market, and we need to be knowing what's going on altogether. So let's check out and finish up options trading. Let's leave options trading 500 for last. Let's go to market indicator for 200. This index is heavily focused on technology stocks. This is one of my favorite indexes to trade. Any of the members that are in here know this. We are looking at yes, Joyce, you got it right. You know it. You know it. We are looking at what is the NASDAQ 100, right? Top 100 tech stocks, mainly focused on tech stocks. Not 100% tech stocks, but it is heavily weighted with tech, and there are a few videos. Guys, check out the YouTube video, What is the Weighted Index? That is a trading strategy, a video that I put together where we could use the weighted index, which is a weighted version of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and I want to say Tesla and Google to get an idea of the strength of the NASDAQ. All right, now let's check out trading strategies for 200. A stop loss order is this. So what kind of order is a stop loss order? There are different types of orders in the market. And I'll let you guys answer that. I'm not going to give it away. A stop loss order is this. What kind of order is a stop loss order? Limit, all right. All right, you guys got the answer right. I don't know what, I don't know. I do apologize. What is an order placed to sell security? That is correct. But you guys are more correct. What is a limit order? When we have a stop loss order in the market, it is a limit order because we set that limit order out there and it is only triggered if price comes to that spot. All right, trading strategies for 300. Appreciate you all for tuning in today. Hope you guys had some fun. Let me know if you do want me to do this again next week or if there is a better time. A strategy involving simultaneously buying and selling options to profit from volatility. Now again, for the members here, a lot of people know Jeremy. Jeremy likes to do this type of strategy with options so that it's a very low risk and he could sort of handle the volatility. Condor butterfly, close. Again, this is a bit of a tougher one because we're looking at a 300. Give you guys just another second. What is a straddle, right? So when we're looking to really ride that volatility, we're looking to buy and sell options to give us a range. We're straddling the market. We're straddling that range. Hedge, very close. That is generally sort of the same situation. You know, we're selling and buying, going against and going with, because we're expecting the market to handle that range and hold that range. All right, guys, we got 2 options left. Let's go hit the options trading for 500. In options trading, the Greek letter delta represents this. So what does the delta represent, guys? When we're trading options, what does the delta represent? How does the delta move the option? Rate of change of price. Okay, Victoria. Victoria's clearly hitting the books. Change in price. Good job, Joyce. Price difference. Yes, Lulu, you got it. Guys, doing great. Everybody who's just tuning in now, hello and welcome. I do apologize. It seems you guys are joining towards the end of our show, but we did have fun here tonight. We'll be sure to do it again if you guys are interested. You could always watch the replay as well. The rate of change of the options price with respect to the change in the underlying assets price. You guys are correct. Change in price. Great job, everybody. Fantastic job. Last question. We have market indicator for 500. This report measures the change in price of goods and services purchased by consumers. There's your hint right there, consumers. Just want to take a second to thank you all for joining. Leave a comment, leave a like, hit subscribe. Appreciate you all. You guys did fantastic on our Trading Jeopardy tonight. Make sure you check it out if you didn't before. CPI, Joyce, Keith, Victoria, you guys are killing it tonight. Good stuff, good stuff. What is the Consumer Price Index? What is the CPI? Great job, everybody. All right, guys. On that note, unfortunately, I do not know how to get to the Final Jeopardy on this website, but I appreciate you all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. And this was pretty fun. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you guys are interested in me continuing this type of series, or to do it every weekend, every other weekend, if I should do it on Saturday evening, Sunday evening, or if I should even push it back maybe to like an 8 p.m. so more people could join in. Yeah, awesome, Victoria. I'm glad you had fun. Good stuff, everybody. You guys did great. You guys, everybody who participated, you guys did fantastic. You guys got a lot of it right. Really good stuff. I know there were a few questions in there that had to sort of be buffed out, but really good stuff all in all. Yep, absolutely. Fantastic way to learn, because you know what it is, when we're interactive, when we're encouraged, when we're having fun, then it helps us learn because we're not feeling like we're being forced to. All right, guys, have a great night. Have a great weekend. Check out our recent videos. I put up a few videos recently on Bookmap, on how to use fair value gaps and Bookmap, and a whole bunch more. I appreciate all of your support. Catch you guys this Monday for our trading live session at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Take care and have a good night.